Okay guys, let's be real. McAfee does not have the best reputation on the internet, and we're not just talking about the antivirus here. John McAfee, founder of McAfee Associates, has had a pretty colorful life since his company took off in 1987, from faking 2 heart attacks to being a murder suspect to being a 2020 presidential candidate. He's really done it all. And when it comes to the antivirus software he created 3 decades ago, well, people seem to have equally mixed opinions. So, we decided to be totally unbiased and give McAfee Antivirus a try. It's gotta be one of the world's most popular antiviruses for a reason, right? So in this video, I'm giving you a comprehensive review of McAfee Antivirus. Pros and cons, security features, plans, pricing, and more. But before I continue, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Cybernews, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so here's the thing with McAfee. You most likely didn't actually download it on your PC yourself. It came pre-packaged with some other common software and you forgot to actively opt out of installing it. Still, that doesn't mean you're now stuck with the useless antivirus software. McAfee offers a bunch of security features that you won't find in your average antivirus. It's also got some pretty irresistible pricing packages that'll make you want to ditch the pricey antivirus you've been eyeing. Okay, let's get into all the things that McAfee has to offer. But for more detailed information on McAfee Antivirus, including all the technical details, make sure to click here and check out this awesome Cybernews article on McAfee. McAfee's features. Protection against ransomware. McAfee's Ransom Guard keeps an eye on your online activity in real time. So if your data is ever in danger, it'll step in and let you know immediately. Instantly clears cache. McAfee has a quick clean tab that'll instantly clear all the temporary files that are slowing your computer down. Now this won't make your PC lightning fast, but it's way better than never clearing your cache. Making sure that deleted data stays deleted. McAfee Shredder shreds all of the trash in your recycle bin. It'll permanently delete the files, so whatever you think shouldn't be on your device is deleted forever. Speeds up web browsing. In addition to protecting data, McAfee also helps you as you browse. Its Web Boost feature works to provide you with the fastest browsing experience possible. It does this by making sure none of the autoplay videos on web pages play. Instead, you'll just see a little message that says, "Paused by McAfee." This won't make your browsing speed drastically different, but it will be enough for you to notice an improvement. McAfee's TrueKey saves all of your passwords and hides them under one multi-level authentication, making sure that you only have access to them. This way, you don't have to remember any passwords and they're safe from any prying eyes. Mobile app. If you don't have a computer and are just looking for software to protect the data on your phone, McAfee has an app as well. The app works the same way as the PC version, and it's both available on Android and iOS. The mobile app also has a lost mode feature. Even though iOS and Android have their own versions of Find My Device, it can be frustrating if you forgot to keep the feature turned on and your phone gets lost or stolen. McAfee's recovery device feature can track your phone using the GPS and will sound a loud alarm to make it easier to locate. Customer service. For any trouble with the software, you can go over to the McAfee customer support page for FAQs. There's also a community page where people can post questions. And if you still can't get the answer you're looking for, you can talk to their representative via live chat. But if your issue is a little more complex or you want a refund, well, sorry, can't do that online. You're gonna have to call them instead. So old school. Updates. Regular updates are important for any antivirus software, but a major downside to McAfee is that it seems to update a little too often, and the updates are heavy enough to take over computer function. Also, McAfee can be a little tricky to spot and uninstall, especially if it came pre-packaged with another software. But the good news is John McAfee himself has created a how to uninstall McAfee Antivirus tutorial on his YouTube channel that'll help you get rid of the software. Gotta give it to him for having such a great sense of humor. Oh, and don't think we won't leave this link in the video description. Go check it out. Okay, plans and pricing. At first, you don't even need to pay for anything when you install McAfee. It's totally free for the first 30 days. It doesn't require you to add any of your credit card details until your trial ends, after which you can decide to sign up for one of their plans or simply stop using it. There are 2 plan options. The first one is McAfee Total Protection. This plan varies from $29.99 if you just need access for a single device to $39.99 for up to 10 devices. The second plan they have is the McAfee Live Safe plan. This plan has almost all of the same features as the Total Protection one, but you can use it on unlimited devices. This plan costs $118, but whenever they have promotion, it goes down to around $39.99. Now I do have to mention these prices are only for the first year. In subsequent years, it's likely that the prices would be a bit higher, but they wouldn't be too different. And if you're splitting the cost with your family, well, it wouldn't end up being very high at all. Now, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if it was any help. We're putting out a new kick video every week, so subscribe to Cybernews for more videos. Okay, final thoughts. Yeah, it takes way too long to make updates, which can slow down your PC sometimes, but McAfee offers you lots of features for a pretty low price. Instead of having to buy multiple software packages to do things like web boosting or password protection, you have a multi-purpose software that gets stuff done for you. Okay, what has your experience with McAfee been like? Let us know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again for watching.